Hi, I'm Neil Peterson with LED Lighting Supply. Today I'm going to talk to you about our C1D1 explosion proof fixture used in areas where there's explosive gas or liquids present all the time. Today I'm talking the application where you would use our C1D1 150 watt explosion proof fixture. It can be used as a high bay or flood. It's normally used in locations where you have explosive gases or liquids present all the time. This happens to be a 150 watt unit, puts out 21,000 lumens. In this family of products it goes up to 250 watt and down to 40 watt depending on your application. It comes standard with a trunnion mount and a pendant bracket, standard with the fixture, tempered glass lens, and is fully UL certified for those applications. We stock a lot of these products. We stock most of the models in this product. But if there are other explosion proof fixtures you need, we also have those. So give one of our sales specialists a call and we can run a lighting plan, we can recommend the fixture and the counter fixtures that will work in your application. Have a great day.